Hello guys, so for the longest time I've always wanted an air fryer. So yesterday I was able to buy one. I got the Sokany 8.5 liters air fryer. As you can see, we are just unboxing it, and I am so excited that I can finally have this kitchen item, right? So I've been seeing different videos of how people use their air fryer to do so many things, from cooking jollof rice, pasta, chicken, potatoes, steaming vegetables, making cakes, and all of that. Can you see the basket? It has a detachable basket. Yeah, as you can see from the video, it has a detachable basket, and it's so huge it can fit in a whole chicken can fit into it. And also it has a timer and temperature regulators. So this Sokany air fryer is so sturdy, as in it's so strong and massive. Oh my god, I can't believe I have this equipment. I don't know, I'm going to make use of it to the last. So guys, just follow everything we do here and see for yourself. Thank you.